I'd like to introduce our next presenters, Mike Denton, Chris Davenport, and Rick Russ from the Ulven Companies. They're here to talk about Skookum, an Ulven company. During this presentation, I know that Skookum would love to hear from you. So at the bottom of your Zoom window, there's a Q&A button where you can post your questions during this presentation. And at the end of the session, they will answer as many of these questions as they have time for. So at this time, I'd like to turn it over to the Ulven Companies.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Ulven Companies and Skookum Pie presentation. My name is Mike Denton, Director of Sales for the Ulven Companies.
My name is Rick Russ, Senior Product and Process Specialist.
And my name's Chris Davenport, Project Manager of Houston Structures.
We're coming to you live from the beautiful Hubbard, Oregon. And during our presentation, if you see something that interests you, please feel free to send us a question in the chat box, and we'll do our best to answer those for you. We want to take a moment to run through our group of companies that make up the Ulven Companies. First, we have Ulven Forging. Started in 1971 by Andy and Diane Ulven, serving the logging and rigging industries, we have evolved into a world-class leader in the forging industry. UFI is a customer-driven company that sells its vast capability and capacity to many industries, from medical to aerospace, from defense to construction, and automotive to critical lifting products. UFI is a diverse manufacturer. We specialize in forgings weighing between 1/4 pound and all the way up to 2,000 pounds. Any golfers out there? Hey, with this group, that's probably a dumb question. If I could, I'd be doing this presentation on the Glendora Country Club in Southern California. Located on the screen, you'll see some putter forgings we do for one of the world-class putter designers. Odds are many of you have these actual putters in your bags. To better serve our customer base, UFI has offered forged products, finished machine components, as well as the ability to supply sub-assemblies for critical production line needs. UFI is supported by a world-class engineering and ops team that is always ready for any challenge our customers present to us. Keep UFI in mind when looking for that manufacturing partner to help bring your proprietary designs to market. One of our other manufacturing arms is Wolf Steel Foundry. Wolf was founded in 1989 after we saw during our sales calls the need for a new foundry in the industry. Wolf is a no-bake sand casting facility. Wolf is a steel foundry specializing in carbons, stainless steels, Manels, and other steel grades. We can pour parts weighing up to 2,300 pounds net. Like UFI, Wolf also is a customer-driven company selling its capacity and capability. We serve many industries with Wolf, from defense to energy, recreation to food processing, and utility to overhead lifting. 31 years after our first pour, Wolf has grown into a world-class foundry that companies from all over the world look to. Keeping with the Ulven theme, Wolf has specialized in critical overhead lifting components since the beginning and is eager to look at any opportunity. We specialize in those hard pours. Wolf also offers its customers complete machining and sub-assembly capability. Keep Wolf Steel Foundry in mind when looking for that manufacturing partner to bring your proprietary designs to market. Now over to Chris Davenport.
Thanks, Mike. I would like to go over what we offer here at Houston Structures. Here at Houston Structures, we provide cast, forged, machine, and fabricated support products for projects in the bridge industry, guy wire structures, dams, infrastructures, and specialized projects. Some of these examples of these areas would be highway pedestrian bridges, FM towers, Tanner gate wire rope assemblies, and architectural buildings like awning covered sports arenas, and catenary cable systems for launch towers for the space industry. Houston Structures can also offer help in the supply chain side of your projects, like wire assembly design to delivery and project management. Also, Houston Structures can also provide you your project, the tensioning system that is used during the installation of your wire assemblies. Please reach out to us here at Houston Structures for your current and future projects. Now here's Mike.
Great, thanks, Chris. I'd like to take another moment to introduce our newest standalone company, not necessarily in the overhead lifting market, but hey, Olven Aerospace and Precision Solutions has a great place in our market. Formerly Olven Aerospace, a division of UFI, UAPS now specializes in serving the aerospace, medical, and other precision industries. UAPS is a precision machine assembly facility. We specialize in prototypes all the way through production line components, supplying critical production lines. UAPS has additional capabilities that we also offer our customers. Whether it is CMM inspection services or our 3D printing, UAPS is a one-stop shop. If you have any precision components that you need a great manufacturing partner for, think UAPS. Hey, let's jump into Skookum and go over a bit of its history. Skookum, more than the brand, it is a legacy. Skookum has a long and distinguished past dating back to 1890. Skookum started in the logging industry when loggers back in the day would bring us their old woodside blocks used on ships to make them skookum for their logging needs. Since then, we have diversified into most all industries, whether supporting the warfighter or commercial fishing, from recovery to utility, construction to towing, Skookum has you covered. Remember, when loads are heavy and long service is required, your best value is Skookum.
Take a pause. I want to make sure that our screen is sharing. So just one moment. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's go ahead. Switch these. Now we can see. All right. Let's go ahead. All right.
Sorry, everybody, a couple technical difficulties, new for us all. In the previous slide, you might have heard me say, make this Skookum. Well, some of you ask, what does that mean? Skookum is an old Chinook Indian word meaning strong, powerful, superior, best, and tough. We couldn't think of a better name for a company that sets the standard. Some of the items we will be going over in this part of the presentation are our shackles, links, blocks, and more. I'd like to pass it over to Rick Russ for this part of our presentation.
Like Mike said, we've been making blocks since 1890. We make blocks and shackles that last for a long time. The same blocks that we've made for years get engineered into modern equipment. Our long-lasting shivs have a reputation for durability. We make logging shackles that are open-die forged, built to withstand the Northwest logger. We manufacture shackles right here in Oregon, anchor and chain, screw pin and bolt tight, from sizes 1/2 to 5 inch. We meet or exceed B 30.26 and RRC 271. We manufacture custom shackles as well for our customers' special lifting requirements. We also manufacture sheet pile shackles. An historical note, our sheet pile shackle was known as the Coulee shackle, developed while the Grand Coulee Dam was being built. We have ground release sheet pile shackles as well, working loads from 8-ton to 12-ton. We manufacture commercial fishing blocks as well. The BCM trawl blocks have working loads from 5-ton to 30-ton, either full-sided or half-sided, used on the Gulf shrimp boats, the East Coast scallop boats, the Pacific Northwest shrimp boats. We also manufacture the Skookum trawl blocks from 25-ton to 90-ton, used on the larger factory trawlers throughout the world. We manufacture recovery blocks for the military. We make a tank retrieval block. As you can see, we also make a block used in the recovery and towing for military. We make blocks that go in toolboxes of OEM military vehicles manufacturers as well. Our newer block is the lightweight tow block used by the premier towing industry as a composite shiv and engineered lightweight block sides. We manufacture blocks for the construction industry, snatch blocks, construction blocks, muley blocks. The tilt-up blocks, as you can see, are in the picture as well. We manufacture here in Oregon master links, paralinks, and subassemblies. We make links from 1/2 inch to 7 inch, from 3.5 tons to 413 tons, We can drop forge our links up to from ½ inch to 1.5 inch. We do custom links for our customers as well. A fun fact, we have Shell oil approval on all sizes of Skookum links used for Shell's offshore lifting. Most of all, our items have been proven through time in the logging industry. Now back to Mike.
Thanks, Rick. Skookum also offers an energy sector line of elevator links, extension links, and top drive bale forgings. We offer elevator links in the 200-ton range with lengths from 60 inches all the way up to 144, with other longer lengths available on request. We offer 350-ton elevator extension links in sizes from 6, 8, 10, and 12 foot. Additionally, we manufacture top drive bales ranging from the sizes of 200-ton all the way up to over 100 tons, 1,000 tons, I apologize. Here's one of our new products that we'd like to go over with you. These are our new connecting links. Currently shipping, we offer them from the sizes of 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 1/4. These connecting links are designed with a 4-to-1 safety factor and are available in both grade 8 and 10. Our links are drop forged and fatigue tested. When looking to easily connect components to slings, reach out to Skookum to use our world-class connecting links. We'd also like to take the chance to introduce our new quick shackle, which I'll demonstrate here. This quick shackle was developed between Skookum and NASA for the recovery of the Test 7 capsule for the safety retrieve of the Orion crew module, which is capable of carrying humans into deep space. NASA needed a quick shackle that could easily be connected, yet was able to be opened up after recovery. The quick shackle was born. Currently available in high-strength stainless steel, our patent-pending shackle was exactly what the recovery divers needed to safely and effectively secure our astronauts after they plunge into the ocean. This shackle will find its way into service in other industries where quick connections are critical. We'd like to take this time to thank you all for joining us today. Please feel free to reach out to the team with any questions. Thank you, and we hope you all have a great rest of the week.
Any questions?
Thank you, guys. There is a question in. Are your connecting links made in the USA?
Our connecting links are made in Europe.
Okay, as of right now, there are no further questions. Is there anything that you guys would like to elaborate on? Oh, one more question just came in. Are your forgings open die or closed die?
Great question. So here at Ulven Forging, we specialize in open die, closed die, and upset forgings. So some of the closed die forgings will go up to over 200 pounds. On the open die forgings, we get over 2,000 pounds. We also have some mechanical press forgings as well that we do.
Next question. Will you offer a carbon version of the new shackle?
Right now, that's not in the works, but I can tell you it's not off the table. It is something we'll probably take a look at here after we roll out the initial line.
Next question. Do you have any sheds for synthetic slings?
Sure. The TM10, our new TM10S or TMS10 is can be used with synthetic lines.
Next question. Can the quick shackle be side loaded?
No, it's not recommended.
It's not yet. Not recommended.
Okay, it seems like that's all the questions. If you guys would like to close out.
Great. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.